1810, speed 190 knots.
1906, access 1810.
1810, descent 4,500.
4,500, access 1810.
Make a 336, descent 5,500.
1,500. Arrival, good, absolute dispatch 685 out of 11 down 7,000, on ahead of 330 for the next 10 miles due to weather.
The dispatch 685, descent 6,500.
6,500, dispatch.
Touchdown 1810, turn left heading 195, this is the localizer.
195 for the localizer is express 1810.
The 1810, stand by. The 1810, descend 3,500 feet, clear for left, push 1 for left.
3,500 for the first 1 for left, 110, thank you.
Lanka 314, speed 180, no until 8 miles.
So 180 till 8 miles and we are on localizer 117.
Sri Lanka 314, contact tower 118.8.
1188, Sri Lanka 314. Access 1810, establish localizer 114.
1810, continue approach, report your speed now.
We are maintaining 180.